Hi, now we are in the ropeway. We are going to the Raigad Fort. Raigad Fort వెళ్తున్నాము. You can see the ropeway down there. We are moving to the top of the place. Like పైకి వెళ్తున్నాం Raigad Fort. See the Raigad Fort here. Like, we are just moving towards the Raigad Fort. We are heading towards the Raigad Fort. Now we are in the ropeway. See the hills down there. Off the way. Off the way and you can see back.
तुम्ही थोड्या वेळाने खाली पहा किती बारीक वाटते.
You can see the whole town of Raigad. पైకి వెళ్తున్నాం. Off the way and you can see all the way like the rooms. Raigad Fort. There are more than 1750 steps to climb to the hill. Like you're off the way.
तुम्ही दिसतो ना बाबा, मीच दिसत नाही. मेन कार्यकर्ता त्या काळ्या गावाला खाली पाहतो. नाही पडायचं नाही.
You can see how tall we are now. You can see like
वायाचा गिरीस पडायचा काही संबंध नाही.
yeah, like we reach there in a few minutes.
ते चालली पाहिजे
Probably maybe in 1 minute.
ते पाहिलं का खाली पाणी आवडल्या आवडायचं किती मोठ्या जमिनी पण आवडल्या आवडायचं.
किती वर द्यायला बघा, बाजूला नेट लागत तरी वर आले का नाही लागलं ते. आहे ना, गती कमी झाली रे. पाहिलं एकदम माणूस चालू राहिलंय.
तुला काय वाटतं? तिला वाटतं पळत
तिथं पोहोचल ना, त्यामुळे तिथं पोहोचल. असं आहे का?
याच्या व्हिडिओ मध्ये सगळे पाहत राहावं. सगळं पाहत राहावं.
చాలా sounds వస్తున్నాయి.
शूटिंग बाय आनंद घेताय.
Lot of sounds like while coming down it will be coming easily.
काहीच नाही.
కిందికి వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఈజీగా వస్తుంది అనుకుంటా. They have almost reached.
थांबलं नाही.
Yeah. Almost there. It's like working. Yeah, almost. Yeah, we have reached finally.
हात काढ मध्ये घ्या.
आतमध्ये घ्या, आतमध्ये घ्या.
Yeah.
रान नको. रान नको. हे काही खेटून जातं नाही.
Thank you for watching. Yeah. And before we reach the place, finally we are here.
मागं फोटो पाठवेल तर बघत
Thank you for watching it, and we have reached the place. I think this is the exit, and we will be going to the fort. Thank you for watching it. We have reached finally to the place. Yeah.